guys, how are y'all today? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a review on a palette that came out over a month ago. So I never sat down and played with it, but I've been looking at it every single day and I'm like, I'm gonna film with it, and I've never gotten a chance to do it, but today is a day. And the palette that I've been dying to use is very beautiful. I've never used a palette from this brand. This is actually a second palette, but I wasn't really interested in the first one, but it was a beautiful palette as well. But it just didn't really catch my attention. But this one, now, it's more my style, and the packaging is amazing, guys. Y'all have no idea. It's so freaking pretty. And so let me show you the palette. It is the Lunar Beauty Greek Goddess color palette. It was for their holiday collection. I do not have the highlight palette. I wasn't really interested in the highlight palette as well. Don't really know why, but the packaging was great as well. It was like a white with the Medusa on top, but it was beautiful. And then I did get the lipsticks. I did not get all three. I got two of them. I only had two lipsticks and one gloss. I did get the gloss, which is called Celine, this one right here, and then I have the other lipstick, which is the liquid lipstick, which is by named Saya. Oh my gosh, let's talk about the packaging. Look at this. It has a freaking diamond inside. Isn't that just gorgeous? Freaking beautiful. I love the packaging on these lipsticks and the packaging in the palette. I think it's so nice, so fancy. So let's start. I'm going to prime my eyelids as always first. What's new? And then I'm going to dig into this palette. I'm so excited. I think I have in mind what I want to create, which I'm pretty sure has been done before, but I haven't watched any reviews, any videos of this palette, nothing whatsoever. I stayed away from them because I wanted to form my own opinion about it. So yeah, let's open it up. Let's open her up. So it comes with 15 shades, which is more, I believe, than what he had in the last one. It comes with a mirror. Look at that huge mirror. Look at the shades. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that blue. That yellow mustard is calling my name a lot. Please, could you guys write in so you can look into my fine lines and pores. Alright, so I have this new product I want to try out. It is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I've never tried it, and I picked it up at TJ Maxx. You know, they have some stuff there, and I was like, oh, I'll try it. Ooh, I've never seen this before. I had never actually seen it in person. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to take that right there. It is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with that. Oh, interesting. It has like an applicator. I thought it was going to be like a squeezy tube. Ooh, I'm intrigued. Ooh. Is that what's up? Oh, no wonder. It's called caffeine. Oh, interesting. I wouldn't have known. I was like, why is it that color? Oh, that explains a lot. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go in with my concealer. So now taking some loose setting powder. I'm going to take the Dermablend Professional Powder, and I'm just going to set my eyelids. Alright, so I'm going to take one shadow shield, and I'm just going to cut it in half and put it in my eye just to make the line and everything more precise. Now, let's start. Moving on to the palette, I'm going to take the first shade, and I feel like it's going to be Rhea. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but it is this shade right here. It is this shade right here, and I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put that all over the crease. Whoa. Pigment, I'd say. Pigment. Alright, going into the next shade, I'm going to take Aphrodite, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Not in the outer corner, more like in the outer part of the crease. Make a V, a big V. It's a lot of pigment. There's a lot of kick up with this eyeshadow palette. Now taking the shade called Calliope, I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my crease as well, but I'm going to make a smaller V. More defined than the previous one. Alright, now taking the shade Hera, which is this gold shade, which is really pigmented. It's this one right here. It's super pigmented and very smooth and buttery. That's how it's swatched. I'm going to put that all over that space where I left it blank. Whoa. That looks so pretty. Alright, so taking the shade Athena, which is this shade right here, I'm just going to put that in the arch of the crease. See how it looks on like this one right here? I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Just to give it like a pop, you know? Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Inglot black eyeliner and I'm just going to do a wing. And then we'll almost be done with the eyes. And then we can move on to the face. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face, like the base, and just left the eyes and lips. For last, what did I use for foundation? So let me do a little recap of what I used. So I went ahead after, like way before I even started filming, I had prepped my face with moisturizer and a face oil. After that, I went into that. For primer, I used the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This stuff is really good. I really like it. And then I used the NARS foundation, shade Stromboli, y'all know already. For concealer, I used the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. I always use that. And to set my under eyes, I actually used a new powder because I received it in my Boxy Luxe this past December, and I hadn't used it at all. But I saw somebody that I follow on Instagram rave about it. They were like, oh my god, it's so good. I love it as much as my Laura Mercier setting powder. So I was like, ooh, I've been wanting to get my hands on that powder. So I was like, I'm going to try it out. I tried it out. I love how it sets my under eye. Okay, and then I went and set my face with it. I don't know if it's been that long since I've done my makeup, but I loved the way it set my face. It looked so smooth, so blurred. This stuff right here, it is the Pretty Vulgar the powder room matte about it. Yes, it mattes my face. It's so freaking good. I love it. It looked blurred, matte, smooth. I'm really excited to keep trying out this powder right here. So that's that. For highlight, I used the Dose of Colors Chasing the Sun Desi and Katy highlighter. That's what I did for that. What else? Oh, I did bake a little bit to straighten out my bronzer, and I used the dermablendpro setting powder. Oh, and for contour, before I did my bronzer, I used the WetnWild dual-ended contour stick. I just used the contour side, and I did my eyebrows, and I always used the Benefit pencil, the Goof Proof brow pencil, and then the brow powder, the brow gal Convertible Brow powder and pomade dual. So that's that. So now let's move on and finish off the eyes and the lips and setting the face. First thing I'm gonna do is take the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in black. I'm just gonna line my waterline with that. I really like this. I really like this eyeliner. It's so good. I really like it. I wish I would have bought. I bought it when it was on sale. I wish I would have bought more of the different shades. Alright, so going into the palette, I'm going to take the first shade I used, which was Rhea, and I'm going to put that all over my lower lash line. Now taking Aphrodite, which was the second shade I used in my crease, I'm going to take that and I'm going to smudge it on my lower lash line as well. But I'm only going to bring it halfway in. Alright, so now taking Calliope, I think that's how you say it. Well, it was the third shade I used in my crease, and I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner of my lower lash line. Alright, so the eyes are complete. All that's left to do is to put on some mascara and lipstick. So let me put on the mascara first and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put on some falsies. I have the Tres Chick Lashes in the style Fierce. I really like these eyelashes, they're so cute. Anyways, so fierce. So now I'm going to move on to the lip, which is the last part of the face. I have two of them. I have the lip gloss and one liquid lipstick. I have Saya and Celine. Celine is the lip gloss and Saya is the liquid lipstick. Alright, so I went ahead and lip lined my lips with the Kylie Dirty Peach lip liner, and I'm gonna go in with the Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Saya. I love this packaging. Look at that. Excuse my ugly nose. Look at that. Alright, so now that I have the lipstick on, my earring fell. So I have the lipstick on and it feels so comfortable. It does not feel heavy on the lips. I really like it so far. So now I'm going to go in with the lip gloss called Celine. I'm excited. I really like it. Oh my gosh, I really like this lipstick and I really like this gloss. You can feel a bit of glitter in it, but it's not uncomfortable. It's not chunky at all. So good. It kind of reminds me of the Dose of Colors I Love Sarai lip gloss brillo, and the one from Dose of Colors, the one with Desi and Katy. I cannot. Over the Top. Yes, Over the Top. It kind of reminds me of that, but I really like it. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Wait, I forgot to set my face. Going with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm almost out of this. So now we're done. Alright guys, so my thoughts. Alright, so thoughts on this collection, this holiday collection from Lunar Beauty. I absolutely love this palette. I think it's so pretty. It's so pigmented. The packaging gets an A+ for me. The colors are so wearable, and like that blue, the shimmers are so freaking pigmented. I really like them. This palette is really appealing to my eyes because it's all the shades I would gravitate towards, and that even that yellow mustard shade is really pretty. Like, I want to use it next time I play with this palette. So yes, I give it an A+. I think they all did amazing. They all blended really well. I really like the eye look I created with it. I love it. And then the lipsticks, I really like them both. They're very comfortable. They are very pigmented. I love the color. I'm a sucker for this kind of color. I love it, and they're so comfortable. Not drying whatsoever, which I love. And other than that, that's the only new things I use besides this Pretty Vulgar powder. I love it. I love it so much. I love the way it set my face. No powder that I own has set my face that good. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I am done with the face. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I really like the look I did with this palette. I think it's really pretty and so flattering to my eyes. I think it's so well planned out and thought out. I love the packaging. The packaging is an A+. I love that it's black. I love this gold detail in it. It's a very versatile palette and I love it. I am so excited to play with it even more in the future. And then these lipsticks, oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, Saya is a beautiful color. No, let's step up. Yeah, it is a beautiful color. But this packaging is amazing. Like, I'm not over that diamond. I'm not over the gold. And I heard he's going to keep the same packaging. I don't know if it's going to have the diamond in it as well, but I know it's going to be in a different color. Anyways, packaging A+, amazing diamond. I've never seen anything like that before been done. So many way to go on that aspect, on that note. And then lipstick is super comfortable. The color is amazing. It's beautiful. It complements my skin so well. I would say those are the kind of colors that really appeal to me. The lip gloss is really nice as well. It's not really the glitter is not chunky. It's very comfortable. It reminds me of the Dose of Colors lipsticks that they created with I Love Sarahi and Katy and Desi, the Brillo lip gloss and the Over the Top lip gloss. The shimmers are really fine, so you do not feel them on your lips unless you rub your lips together. Then you know you'll feel them, but it's not bad. Even now I can't really feel them. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys thought of it. Did you guys like this eye look, this tutorial? Let me know. Do you guys have this palette, these lipsticks? Do you guys have the highlight palette? What do you guys think of them? So yeah, and please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!